Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the teaser of Vamsi Ram New Mark by Vamsi Ram Builders. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office and your land parcel is exactly there. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will be discussing the below points like the project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, and a lot more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. Vamsi Ram New Mark will be constructed on 4.5 acres of land parcel, featuring 2 towers with 4 basement ground and 50 floors, having 4 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located on survey number 94, Narsingi Kokapet exit near Outer Ring Road, Hyderabad. And this is going to be your entire connectivity. That side of the road connects you to Financial District and all other areas. Now coming over to the connectivity part, you see the Nehru Outer Ring Road is only 1.2 kilometers away. Hospitals like Continental 2.4 kilometers away. You also have schools like Phoenix Green, which is 2.2 kilometers away from here. Coming over to the amenities, you see you are going to have a lot of luxurious amenities, including a grand clubhouse, which is going to be 50,000 square feet. Then there's going to be meditation deck, indoor games room, landscape gardens, and a lot more.
Coming over to the super built up area.
So 4 BHK is 5,350 to 6,750 square feet. Now, coming to the booking process, let's discuss and understand the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. You will also be taken at the actual site of the location, and if you like the project, you can proceed by booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the New Mark located in Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.